got a 2018 Crosstrek here. I've got some Lamin-X to go on the fog lights. I got yellow ones. Super easy to install. I already did this side. It literally took 2 minutes. You don't even need to put them on with any lubricant. You just stick them on dry, and then you just need like an X-Acto blade. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, just make sure the surface is clean. Spray a little glass cleaner on there. Get it wiped off. Peel this from the backing. Put these nice little tabs to help you hold it. Grab both sides. Straight in. It's going to hit the outside to the middle first. The black surround kind of guides you in there so you can leave it. And then I'm going to work it from the middle, kind of pushing it outwards. Get rid of any bubbles. You don't want to do this when it's super cold out either. Working it back and forth all the way around. It's pretty stretchy. It stretches right down over the curves. Put that right down. Fingernail in there, push it all the way down. Just keep working it down until it's nice and flat. I'll take a X-Acto blade and I'll just cut the little tabs off real carefully. Just put the excess behind there, kind of flatten it with the blade. And the same for this one over here. Pull it up. Push that back down. Make sure it's all flat. I like to take a little bit of glass cleaner, spray it on there, and then I can take my rag again. It gives me a little bit of lubrication to kind of push this down and make sure it's all flat. And kind of jam the cloth in there, it'll help push it down. That's it. Super easy.